The next type of matrices is based on elements. Okay, so based on the elements we'll have different types of matrices. So the first one is our zero or null matrix. Okay, so if the element of the matrix is 0, then it is known as null matrices. Okay, so if you were asked to give a 2 by 2 null matrix, okay, that means let's suppose A is a 2 by 2 null matrix. Okay, 2 rows, 2 columns. So it means you will have 2 rows and 2 columns full of the element 0. Alright, so if you have been asked that give a B matrix which is a 3 by 3 null matrix, okay, so that will have 3 rows and 3 columns full of zeros. Alright, okay. Then next one is our diagonal matrix. So diagonal matrix is one in which only the main diagonal element will be there and rest of the elements will be 0. Okay, so let's suppose I am giving A is a diagonal matrix of order 2 by 2, 2 by 2. So in this case, let's suppose 2, 1. So these are the main diagonal elements and rest of the elements are 0. Alright, so this is a diagonal element. And it is also called diagonal matrix. So if it is a 3 by 3 diagonal matrix, then it will be, let's suppose B is a 3 by 3 diagonal matrix, then we can do like this. 1, 2, 1, 0, 0. So you can see that in the main diagonal element and the rest of the off diagonal elements are 0. So this is known as a diagonal matrix. It is a square matrix. Okay. Next is scalar matrix. Okay. So in the scalar matrix, we will see that scalar matrix is a diagonal matrix also. Okay. The only difference is that this main diagonal elements will be the same. So let's suppose K is a scalar matrix of order 3 by 3. Okay, so I told you that the main diagonal elements will be the same. So in here 3, 0, 0, 0, 3, 0, 0, 0, 3. So you can see that the main diagonal elements is a scalar. That is 3. It can be anything. Okay, it can be anything but greater than 1. Alright, so if it is greater than 1, then it is scalar matrix, but if it is 1, 1, 1 here, then it is known as identity matrix. Okay, so the fourth matrix we are studying is identity matrix. Remember, identity matrix is a diagonal matrix. It is also a scalar matrix, but the value is 1. So if you were asked to give one identity matrix of order 2 by 2, let's suppose our matrix is I and 2 by 2, so 1, 0, 0, sorry. Alright, I think I did a mistake. Identity matrix, so it will be I is equal to 0, 1, 1, 0. think I did a mistake here. Okay, so identity matrix, let's suppose it is not. Identity matrix of order 3 by 3. Okay, order 3 by 3. So it will be 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Okay, so this is our 3 by 3 identity matrix. Now we can see that the main diagonal elements are 1. So it is identity matrix. Here it is 3 by 3 3. So it is a scalar matrix. Diagonal matrix we have already seen. So 2 by 2 by 2, if it will be, then it will be 1 0 0 1. 2 by 2 or identity matrix. All right. So we are continuing with the types of matrices based on elements. So we are continuing with identity matrix. Okay. So identity matrix, if you are asked to do like give 2 by 2 identity matrix, then it will be 1 0 0 1. We can see that it is a 2 by 2 matrix. Okay, and main diagonal elements are 1. Similarly, if it is a 3 by 3 matrix, let's suppose a 3 by 3 matrix, here it was 2 by 2 matrix, it will be 1 0 1, sorry, 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Okay, so this is 3 into 3. All right, identity matrix. The next one is our upper triangular matrix. Upper triangular matrix. So in this upper triangular matrix, you will have the elements f of the main diagonal are non-zero. Okay, that means the off diagonal elements are non-zero. Okay, so let's suppose U is a different matrix, that is upper triangular of 3 by 3 matrix. Okay, remember it is a square matrix. Okay, so it is 1 2 3 0 4 5 0 0 6. So we can see that this is like a triangle, this is looking like a triangle, and all they are non-zero. Similarly, the opposite is for lower triangular matrix. Okay, lower triangular matrix. In the lower triangular matrix, you will see that this will be non-zero. The rest of the value will be 0. So it is, let's suppose L is a lower triangular matrix. So it will be 1 0 0 2 3 0 4 5 6. And we can see that it is a lower triangular matrix, and this the elements below the main diagonal are non-zero. All right, so the next we'll be studying about the matrices that are based on different operations. That means we'll be carrying out some operations and find those matrices. All right, see you in the next video.